Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to change the color of anything and everything, as this video offers 3 different approaches that can help you get your desired result. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorials. Make a duplicate of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. From the toolbar, select Object Selection tool and click on Select Subject over here. Once the selection is made, click on the Select and Mask. As you do that, a new dialog box opens up. Here, with the Refine Brush tool, paint on the areas which are left while selecting. Now, click on the Refine mode to Object Aware and check the Decontaminate Colors option in Output Settings. Hit OK. Now, from the Adjustment layer, choose Solid Color. Change the color as per your requirement. Hit OK and you are done.
Duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now go to the adjustments and choose Hue and Saturation. Click on this little hand icon over here and select the color you want to change. As you can see, both dress and sky color is the same. So if we will change the hue, both the colors would be affected. Let's fix the dress and then we will work on the sky. Click on this plus eyedropper icon and select the areas which you want to add. Now, change the hue, saturation and lightness as per your requirement. Close it when you are done. Now, we will work on the sky. Go to Select and choose Sky. Select the brush tool from the toolbar and with black color selected, paint on the selection. Now go to the Properties panel and change the feather amount a little. And that's it.
Make a copy of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Choose Quick Selection tool from the toolbar and select the dress. Press Shift to add to the selection and Alt or Option to subtract from it. Now, with the selection active, go to Adjustment layer and choose Gradient Map. Make sure it is black and white. Click on it. Now, click to add the point in the center of the slider. Change its color to the one you want. Hit OK. Now adjust the sliders as per your requirement and hit OK when you are done. So these were the methods you can use to change the color of anything in Photoshop. Do let me know if these videos helped you in any way. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Thanks for watching.